Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Review. Well, I don't think what I have to teach you could be any more important than right now. As we head into this new year, it's time, folks, to really consider strongly the importance of a new retirement game plan. And we talk about an analogy, and I'll give you an acronym from one of my books. In fact, I'll teach you how to get a complimentary copy of my most recent book in just a moment. But I want you to really sit back and think about your thinking here for just give me 60 seconds or so. And it's the analogy of climbing Mount Everest, right? More people die on the way down than the number of people who die on the way up. So with all that diligent planning on getting to retirement, so to speak, getting up the mountain to the summit, that's a different type of planning because the same diligence and the same strategy is different in getting down from the summit. And that's why 80% of deaths are on the way down, not on the way up. We see the same thing in retirement planning. You see, the core four dangers to retirement, the biggest financial mistakes or the biggest financial pitfalls that can take place that will cause more deaths on the way down are the things that boomers haven't had the opportunity to properly and diligently plan for. Because it was all about accumulate, but now it's about distribute. So let me teach you the importance, especially with all this trade tariff talk and all these Democrats calling for 60, 70%, 80% tax rates and what the Fed's going to do. And the market's going up 600, down 1,000, up 1,000. It's such an important time to figure out not just how to get to or plan for retirement, but also a different game plan on planning at retirement and getting through retirement. And that acronym is SAFE. S stands for secure from losses. See, volatility is here to stay, folks, especially with all the infighting of the politics, the uncertainty of what's going on in this global economy, especially with China and our trade. And of course, the market's up, down, and it's all around. Protect and secure your money from losses, the money that you need to live off of. The A is annual increasing income. See, most people we see don't have income that's increasing. In fact, it's the same payment from their pension today as it will be 20 years from today, or Social Security is not going to have that much of an increase because of the dire straits that it's in. The F is, and this is key, this is what sneaks up on boomers more than any of these big pitfalls, and that is free from taxation. Free yourself from taxation, folks. Otherwise, the government's going to tax you to the max. They're going to tax 50 to 85% of your Social Security. The required minimum distributions, once you hit 70 and a half, and those of you that are there know what I'm talking about, push you into paying higher taxes. Plain and simple. The good news is you can eliminate that. And lastly, a client shared this week, gosh, what I love most about the Hidden Wealth Solution at Chuck Oliver and my only complaint with the Hidden Wealth Solution at Chuck Oliver is I didn't take the time to learn these strategies sooner because they're easy. The E stands for ease of management. Your money grows when there's growth. It doesn't go down when there's downturn to the market, and it can grow tax-free. You can use it tax-free, and you can transfer it tax-free. I'll be teaching this Tuesday. Simply go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. And let me teach you the most strategic ways to get down the mountain. Not just giving up, but getting your money working for you, right? You've worked hard for your money. You're in control. No surprises. Ease of management, folks, right? Make your money work hard for you, right? And protect yourself because the market's going to be more and more volatile. 10,000 people retiring a day in itself is causing a lot of this volatility, folks. Learn how to use the market to your advantage. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.